Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am Rahat, a mentee under the Linux Foundation Mentorship program, and I'm very excited to share with you what I have learned from my journey with the Mainframe Voices video series. It's been an incredible experience filled with valuable insights, wonderful people, and so much growth, both personally and professionally. Firstly, we have introduction. So I have been working with my mentor, Misty, and my video series name is Mainframe Voices. So let's move to the next slide. So it is the section slide where what we will be covering in this video. So firstly, the introduction of the series. Then we will be learning about key learnings and insights, personal growth and reflections, the unforgettable moments and stories of our experts that are really unforgettable, and acknowledgement and gratitude, and what is the future of mainframe, and closing and final thought. So let's move to the next slides, which is the introduction. So the series name is Mainframe Voices. The main goal of this series was to bring together diverse perspectives on mainframes technology and modernization. I wanted to showcase not just the technical aspects, but also the human stories and insights that make this field so dynamic and relevant. Support from mentors and collaborators. So basically, throughout my journey, I have had the amazing support of my mentor, Misty, who guided me every step of the way. Her encouragement and deep knowledge of the mainframe industry were really invaluable. I also want to give a shout out to Donna Hoodie, who helped me immensely from creating perfect outreach email to providing crucial feedback on each episode. But their support has been instrumental in making this series a success. And then we have key learning and insights. So basically, what I have learned throughout the video series. So I have created some sort of topics that I will be covering in this video series. Some of these topics are mentioned here: mainframe modernization, AI and machine learning, cloud integration, DevOps in mainframe environments, cultural and organizational changes, data democratization. So these are some of the important topics that I have mentioned here, but also there are some other topics that are not included here, but they are also interesting. But since this video is morely in I would say indulged or inclined towards the tech specific part, so these are the topics that mentioned here. But the video series is so much amazing that like we are talking about their journeys, unforgettable moments. The video is really good. So let's talk about the mainframe modernization. One of the biggest takeaways was understanding the ongoing modernization of mainframes. I learned how companies are integrating new technologies like artificial intelligence and cloud computing with mainframes, ensuring they remain a powerful tool for today's businesses. This blend of old and new is what keeps mainframes so relevant. And we have been talking about so much about this topic in our video series, so you should give it a look. Then we have AI and machine learning. So as you can already know about that, artificial intelligence is in hype right now. There is no field where people are not integrating intelligence, so mainframes cannot stay behind. And it was very fascinating to explore how artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used in mainframe environments as well. These technologies can predict and prevent system failures and automate repetitive tasks, which opens up a world of possibilities for making mainframe systems even more efficient and intelligent. Then we have cloud integration. We cannot forget about cloud integration, cloud storage, because earlier we were using on-premise solution and mainframes, but as the technology is evolving, we cannot stay behind in this part as well. So we've been talking about this cloud integration in the videos as well, and that's also very different perspectives we got to know about from different experts. So you should give it a look in on that part as well. So we have also delved into cloud integration, which I initially thought might just a buzzword. However, through conversations with our experts, I realized that integrating mainframes with cloud platforms is a true game changer for modern businesses. It combines the robustness of mainframes with the flexibility and scalability of cloud. Then we have DevOps in mainframe environment. We cannot forget DevOps because it helped in automation, CI/CD pipelines and all. It really helped in cost effective, time effective in each field. And we have been talking about this DevOps in very elaborated way in the video as well. Learning about DevOps in the context of mainframes was another highlight. It showed me that applying DevOps principles to mainframes is not just about technology. It is about fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvements. And this is very essential for any organization looking to innovate and stay competitive. Then we have cultural and organizational changes. When we are modernizing mainframes or any technology, it is not just about technology we are modernizing. It is also about the human element. So we also touched on the cultural and organizational shifts that is needed to support these technological advancements. It is very clear that for mainframe modernization to be successful, companies need to embrace change, foster a culture of learning, and support their teams through transitions. And then we have data democratization. So another fascinating topic was data democratization. We discussed how making data more accessible across an organization can drive better decision making, but with security. Tools and interfaces that allow non-technical staff to interact with mainframe data can really empower them, leading to more innovative and uses of this information. And now moving to the next slide, we have personal growth and reflection. So the personal growth I want to talk about the skill developed. So this series has helped me to develop a variety of skills from conducting interviews and crafting engaging narratives to understanding complex technical topics. And really, communication is also one of the most important part that I have learned in this video series. I have also learned the importance of preparation and adaptability, especially when dealing with technical subjects. I was not only indulged in video series or interviews, I was also basically researching about these topics, artificial intelligence, cloud computing. So on that part as well, I have learned a lot. Then we have networking and connections. So when I applied to this project, it was the another crucial aspect that I saw, that was networking and connection. And I have had the privilege of meeting and learning from so many industry experts. Each conversation added a new layer of understanding and broadened my perspectives on what is possible with mainframe technology. Challenges overcome. So when you are working with some sort of projects, it is absolutely correct that you will face some sort of challenges. But it is more important that how you're dealing with these challenges. So like any project, this series had its challenges, whether it was coordinating interviews across different time zones. So I am in Indian Standard Time Zone, and our experts are in different time zones, Eastern Standard Time Zone, someone in Canadian Standard Time Zone. So it was difficult for coordinate. Or diving deep into topics that were new to me as well. So initially it felt overwhelming because I haven't learned about any of those topics. But each challenge was an opportunity to learn and grow, and I really learned and grow as well. And now moving to the next slide, we have acknowledge acknowledgement and gratitude. But before that, I want to talk about unforgettable moments and stories. And it is the another crucial thing that I want to add in this video. or in this video series, I do not want to make this video series just tech specific. So initially, whenever we have starting or kickoff meeting, I was conversating with my mentor that I want to make this video series 40 to 60 ratio. That 60 ratio means I will be having tech specific part, and the 40 ratio I will be having non-tech specific part, such that our audience will enjoy it as well. So one of the topic that I included as a non-tech specific was unforgettable moments and stories. There were some truly unforgettable moments along the way, from humorous and from humorous anecdotes about Giant Man introduction with Donna, to hearing the story of Darren and his to like one of the guy and his father were learning mainframe together from the interskill. So it was just really unforgettable moments for the experts. So it was really fascinating to see, to hear their unforgettable moments. And then we have acknowledgement and gratitude, basically. So I really want to thank the team and audience as well. So I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has been a part of this journey, the experts who shared their insights, my mentors and collaborators. And of course, all of you have, all of you who watched and supported Mainframe Voices, or you will be watching the Mainframe Voices in the future. This series would not have been possible without your enthusiasm and support. And thank you so much for that as well. Looking ahead, the future of mainframes. So basically, looking ahead, I am very excited about the future of mainframes and the potential for new innovations. This journey has just reinforced my belief that mainframes will continue to play a crucial role in our technology landscape. And personally, I am eager to continue exploring and sharing more stories from this fascinating field. And this is not the end of the series, or not the end of this my contribution to the mainframe voices. I will really help in another future videos as well. And let's move to the next slide. We have closing final thoughts. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey. I hope you have learned as much as I have, and that you are as inspired as I am by the possibilities that lie ahead. Here is to more learning, more innovation, and more storytelling in the world of mainframe. And these are some of the pictures of the experts. We have Darren, Luisa, and Jacob. So these are some of the pictures, and I'm really thankful for all the experts who have participated in the video series. I really learned a lot, and it was really, really fun. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you so much for this video as well. Have a great day. Stop.